The next lecture in our course will be about development tools for TypeScript. So, how we can set up Visual Studio Code. Actually, this is one of the best editors for TypeScript because it's light. You have what you need, and there are really a lot of plugins that you can use to improve your coding on TypeScript. The first thing that we're going to review is TSLint. What is actually TSLint? Well, TSLint checks your TypeScript code for error in terms of readability, mainability, and functionality. Here on this link you can find detailed description, supported functionalities, and usage. How we can set up TSLint for Visual Studio? Well, first we have to open our cmd or bash and then write down npm install /g TSLint. /g is coming from globally. Then I have to open Visual Studio Code and enter key combination Ctrl+Shift and P. After that, I have to go to Install Extensions and find TSLint and click Install button. After that, I need to find TSLint and click Enable button, and to the end, I have to restart Visual Studio Code. So as you can see, the steps are quite easy to follow, and it's really easy to install new plugins to your VS Code. We have also auto-compiled TypeScript. What we need to do is open VS Code and create a new file inside the root directory called tsconfig.json. And we need to configure it like this. What you need to have is compile on save $true. This is in JSON format, so you're specifying your key and the value. After that, you can set your compiler options, which is new object, and here I can say watch true, inline source map true, out file filename.js, and target ECMAScript 5 or 6, depends what you're using. Here the output file filename.js is after you have, for example, app.ts. So you have the TypeScript. Usually when you build it and this is generating app.js, and on any save that you make in your TypeScript file, these changes are applied to app.js. And out file is actually just saying how this, what will be your output file of your TypeScript. For example, here you can add something extra. You can say, let's say, JavaScript output /filename.js. Of course, I doubt you want to do this because you want to keep them like that. It's better, with that it's better quality and it's readable easier. And of course, you know that this is output file. You don't need to specify it. But still, this gives you the flexibility to change it if you have different case. How we can execute our TypeScript? Well, we open Visual Studio and press Ctrl+Shift and P. Then we write task, select tasks, configure task runner. Then we have to select TypeScript. And then we're pressing Ctrl+Shift B to run the task inside watch mode. Then we have generated launch.js file, which should look like that. It should contain your version, which you can specify the command tsc. It shows command true, some arguments you can have here, show output, silent, and program matcher, which is $tsc. For executing it, you need to press Ctrl and F5. The next question is how we can debug TypeScript. Well, once the automatic execution is set up, the debugging process is trivial. We select the breakpoints on the lines that we want to debug, and then we start the debugger with pressing F5. After that, to jump to the next statement, we use F11, and to jump to the next breakpoint, we use F5.